Ossington Avenue has been named one of the coolest streets in the world by Time Out publications. So let's check out what the Ossingtion Strip in Toronto has to offer. Hey, it's Amanda here with the Moving to Toronto team. If you're thinking about moving to Toronto or the surrounding suburbs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now so that you're the first to know about the current market here in Toronto. We love helping people just like you who are looking to move to Toronto. So whether that is in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to us. All of our contact information is down below. In this video, we're going to explore everything that makes the Ossingtion Strip one of the most popular spots in Toronto. So whether you are a local who's looking for new spots to check out or a visitor wanting to experience the Toronto charm, stick around. You won't want to miss this one. First, let's kick off with a bit of history from this neighborhood. In the 18th century, this area was one of the main stockyard regions in the city of Toronto. The street we know as Ossington Avenue was lined with factories and warehouses, contributing to Toronto's growing economy in the late 19th century and early 20th century. During the mid-20th century, the area changed significantly. Alongside the changing face of Ossington Avenue stayed one consistent, which is the mental health facility at Queen and Ossington, today known as CAMH. Ossington Avenue would be developed into a mixed industrial area in residential stretch with dozens of automotive and machine shops, some of which are still there today. In March of 1966, Muhammad Ali spent weeks along Washington Avenue training at Solly's Gym above an auto body shop at 109 Ossington Avenue, now home to a condo building in preparation for his fight against a Canadian boxer. The following year, there was a lot of international attention to Ossington after murder of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. In Memphis, Tennessee. James Earl Ray would make its way up to Toronto to stay at 102 Ossington Avenue while hiding from the FBI and authorities. This area at the time was very rough. The area really started to improve in the early 2000s. A wave of revitalization really began in this neighborhood. Now let's quickly look at the map. The Ossingtion Strip is within the Trinity Bellwoods neighborhood. The borders of this neighborhood to the south is Queen Street West. To the west side is going to be Dovercourt. To the north is College Street. And then to the east side is Bathurst Street. So this neighborhood, like I said, is Trinity Bellwoods. We're specifically looking at the pocket of the Ossingtion Strip. The Ossington Strip is an area popular for its dining, nightclub, and shopping establishments. So let's break it down by category. First up is going to be the trending dining and the drinking scene here. There are about 3 to 4 blocks which have become Toronto's most popular 3 blocks when it comes to dining and drinking. Ossington boasts a diverse and thriving food and drink scene, making it ideal for foodies and those who want to be in the action. In the summertime, it doesn't matter what day of the week it is, the strip is full of people on the patios every evening. There is always new restaurants popping up in the area, so there's always something new to try and something exciting happening. Let's go take a look at some of the popular dining spots that you want to check out. Next up is the festivals and events. There is always something happening here in this neighborhood. Ossington is a community that loves to celebrate. Throughout the year, Ossington hosts a variety of events and festivals that bring the community together. One of the biggest one, of course, being Ozfest Toronto. Ozfest is a pedestrian takeover of the Ossington Strip and a summertime favorite. Inclusive to everyone, even pets, it entertains the masses with games, street dancing, live music, market stalls, and so much more. Plus, there's always fun things happening like pop-up block parties and pop-up markets. Ossington is one of the most exciting districts for year-round entertainment. Then there is the shopping. Indulge your retail therapy cravings with a stroll through Ossington's shops. Let's take a look at some of the options that they have here in this area. The Ossington shopping scene is really a beautiful treasure chest because you're going to find some things here that you're not going to find anywhere else. You're going to find some really unique places, some new stores that have never been opened in Canada before. There's always something cool popping up in this neighborhood, so you definitely want to check out the shopping here as well. Next, we're going to look at the public transportation. Ossington Avenue is served by 63 Ossington bus route. It also connects to the Ossington subway station, so you are very close to that as well. And then on Queen Street West, you're going to have streetcar access as well. Now, let's quickly talk about the real estate here. The Ossingtion Strip offers a diverse range of housing options, from historic Victorian homes to sleek modern condos and unique lofts. There's something here for everyone. Whether you are a new young professional, a growing family, or an early nester. It's actually because of the Ossington Strip's significant growth and development over the past decade that the Trinity Bellwoods area is one of Toronto's most sought after neighborhoods. Demand is high here, particularly for those unique lofts and historic homes that this neighborhood has to offer. However, there are still opportunities for buyers at various price points, especially with new condo developments offering a range of options here. That being said, it's time now to look at the different current homes on sale in this neighborhood. As always, we look at the lowest price point, medium price point, and the highest price point so that you can see what's currently available in this area. So let's take a look. I'm going to end this video with a tip for those wanting to visit the Ossington Strip while avoiding the crowds. The best times to explore are going to be early morning or late afternoon. The streets are quieter, the shops and the cafes are less crowded, and you can really soak in the atmosphere. I am here late afternoon, so as you can see, there is a lot less people and it's not so crowded. So this is the perfect time to explore if you don't want the crowds. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click that like button and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you liked best about the Ossington Strip area here in Toronto. And if you're thinking about making that move to Toronto, whether that's in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, text, or email. All of our contact information is down below for you guys. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then go ahead and click this one next. And until next time, guys, I'll see you around the city, and God bless.